All right, here's a subnetting question for June 6, 2026. What is the first usable and broadcast address of the network that a system with the following IP configuration is a part of? The IP address is 192.168.58.138, and the subnet mask just happens to be 255.255.255.252, and they want us to pick out two answers, right? So we're going to go back to that chart that I used the other day, and we're going to do the same thing, except this time I kind of added this in just to kind of help you, right? Because with all the bits turned on, the /32 is written out just like this. And if you learn one thing from me, if it ends in the fourth octet, it's real simple for me. I look at there's 256 numbers. 0 is a number. So I take 256, I subtract 255, it goes up by 1. I select, you get the idea, doubles, right? So 252 away from 256 is obviously going to go up by 4. I'm not going to do the 4 all the way up. This is going to be really simple. I mean, if you go to 100, that's 25 times 4. So let's go with 100 and start there. Got 104, 108, 112, 116, 120, 124, 128, 132. Let's kind of start right there. Let's start out with 128, and let's go to 132. Now, these are network IDs that I'm writing out here to the very edge. Now, obviously, 138 does not fall in here, so let's put in another 4. We're going to end up with 136. Doesn't fall in there. Let's go ahead. Let's put 140. 138 falls dead in there. So I like to put the lower number, which is the actual network ID, in here. This is the next network ID. That's why it's outside the goalpost. So your network ID is going to be .136. Your first usable is all you got to do is add 1 to your network ID, so you're going to get a 137. Your broadcast has to be 1 less than the next network ID, which in this particular case is 139. And the last usable is always 1 less than the actual broadcast address. So one thing, if you'll learn, network IDs will always be even, broadcast numbers will always be odd, first usables will always be odd, and last usables will always end in an even number. Okay, hopefully that helps you, and we'll work on another one for tomorrow. Thank you for viewing.